Look, let's use our heads here. How's that gonna work out?
Oh, I definitely need another rug. That looks a lot better. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in a One Direction shirt and we're gonna be decorating my house at 2 a.m. I have some guests joining me. They kind of stink though, so we're gonna stay away. Look at all these boxes and look at all of these rugs. You know what? We're just gonna get into it. Like no intro, no nothing. Let me show you. This is what it looks like before. So it's very bland. It's giving me very much jail vibes. The plants give some life to it, but it's giving me very much jail vibes. You're ugly. You know, I thought the white was a good idea, but again, it's giving me very much jail, cold vibes. So, this floor is not it. This floor is concrete, it echoes, it's just not cute. But you know, this corner is looking like how I want it to look. So, today, we're gonna decorate. Let's just get into it. Hi, I just wanna come here and say that I post 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and lately I've been posting like every day. So subscribe if you haven't already. All right, let's continue. We'll get into the morning soon. Like, it'll be aesthetic soon. Like, I know right now it looks ugly and like it's night and dark and the lighting is just not it. Just wait, chill, give me a sec. Pink knife. Hey, men, could you move this coffee table?
Hey lady, sure, I'd love to, but I'm a boy.
Oh my god, look at how white this rug used to be. I love men. I think women belong in the kitchen. Help.
Parkour, parkour!
Oh, you guys got a new rug. Shouldn't we take this rug out first?
No, we can leave this underneath. More softness.
Oh, I think guys up the dimension.
No, we can always lift the couch.
How do we lift a couch?
I'm lifted up and then you throw that down on there.
Come on, this is why you go to the gym, River. Your moment. We can't because we can't move it in because of this, guy.
It's f***ing heavy, man. Yeah, if we had one more person, that would be great.
Hold on, pause. I noticed a lot of you watch my videos and you don't even subscribe. Look at that percentage. What are you doing? Subscribing is free. And if you subscribe from this video and comment that down below, I will read your comment and like it. Because guess what? A girlie reads every single one of her comments and she's not lying. Go look at the comments. Did she like all of her comments? Yep, she's not lying. Go subscribe and comment down below if you subscribe.
We could just move the couch right over there.
With all the space that's here.
You two just lift up and we'll move it. Lift it up and the females will move it.
So we...
Oh, don't stay under there.
You cannot stay under there.
I'm fucking dropping your dead. Because this shit is floating.
It's not that heavy.
You said it's not that heavy. Okay.
It's not.
You work out more than me.
Yeah, we pull it this way.
I think honestly it would be best if we just got the couches.
Off of
the ride.
it. Yes.
I've never looked more jacked in my life.
Okay, done.
Sudden urge to like...
Yeah. You two wanna go? Why you got this? Why are we so lopsided, bro? What is going on? What is it on? It's on the table.
Your fucking fat ass feet is in the way.
Good job, guys.
Yeah.
Sterling.
Long live the king.
First rug done. 3 more to go.
3 more to go.
This is what it looks like.
Ooh, I like this one.
You got another
No, 3 more.
It has a face.
I'm circumcising it right now. Now let's move everything onto here. River, we need big boy muscles. Girls, it's girl time. Girl power. Girl power.
Sterling peed on my beautiful hotel slippers. I just want to say it's really disrespectful, but I'm still gonna wear them because I don't care. Better already.
Scorpio, did you take that slipper from the hotel?
I would literally never do that.
Wait, are you gonna cover this whole place?
Yes.
Individual rugs.
Oh, so it's just like a messy, a bohemian sort
Yeah.
of stuff?
It's like a bohemian vomit.
All you need is a few seance candles and a cold. And you guys have the rocks too, right?
You mean crystals?
The crystals, yeah. What you guys gotta do is sit around in a circle, hold each other's hands around the candle, and sing Loteka and Kumbaya.
We opened 4 rugs. Now it's time to place them.
Hey River, don't let a lady do this. Help her.
Woman.
What are you doing?
What am I doing? I'm directing. Straight, you got it. Perfect. Let it down, nice and easy.
So it is like 2 days later now. I did a lot the night that you just saw, but it's time to do some more, okay? So I just got another rug. This one's a hallway rug. It says it's 22 feet long. I don't really know how long 22 feet is, but I hope it covers enough of this hallway area. So I feel like this shit is so depressing. Should I sweep? I feel like I should sweep. Hold on. My problem never was a model, never was a scholar. I guess it's time to see. Huh. I mean, it's long, not long enough though. I'm like, do I order another rug? I think I need to get another rug because it's gonna annoy me that it doesn't go all the way down. But it looks cute though, right? Look at me being a big girl doing it all by myself. I don't need no man's help out here. Just kidding. I literally had a guy come over and fix my piano and bring up all my rugs and stuff because I was too lazy. But look at me go. Go me. Girls rule. Boys suck. All men. We hate all men. Men are trash. Just kidding. Am I though? Yo, I just got a new rug. Let me unbox it. Because like, you're gonna know the vibes. I don't know if I need to get another rug today. Hi, Sturter. I was like, okay, so we have a bunch of bohemian ones. I need something like kind of different for the kitchen. So I was like, ooh, red. I don't know where.
You move your money one to under the fridge, kind of overlapping with this one, and then move that one kind of in the area that the money one is.
Oh, you're so intelligent.
You need help?
No, I'm a big girl. Like this gray one should be like over top of this red one. All right, this is what this rug looks like. Looks pretty good. I just ordered another one. I'm gonna fill this area up here, and then I might need to get one more rug. Looks pretty snazzy to me. Cute. I just got another rug in the mail, and I think this should be the last one. I may have to buy one more though, but this is the last one that I ordered. So, oh, I definitely need another rug. I think I want it over here. Boom, another rug. I have to order like 2 more. Damn, I thought I ordered enough. Guess not. Oh, okay, it's another day of decorating the house. I think this is gonna have to be a 2-part series though, not gonna lie, because I still have my room to do, like a lot of my room. But I went to the Melrose Trading Post, got these really cute tea towels, because I thought, you know, add a little pop of color to my stove. Something super cute. And then we can have one right here, you know, to dry the hands, you know what's up. This just adds a little something something. I ordered contact paper off of Amazon, so this is gonna be the next video, to put all over my counters and like this back splash so that it'll look prettier. I think that's so fun and fresh. So that's for the next video, but I got that. And then I also got these 2 cute martini glasses with like these things in them. So I'm gonna put this here. All of Sterling's stuff is also gonna stay here. I think I should move his stuff up there, right? Because like I don't use it as often, and keep this as like alcohol and stuff. So let's change that right now. This house already looks so much more like alive. I love it. I forgot I bought containers. Bought these from Target, $5. I think it'll look a lot nicer. And then I'm gonna move this stuff into storage because we don't need this much stuff. So now I'm gonna take another one of these and I'm gonna put his toys in here. These are his like clothes and stuff. Here, his toys. That looks a lot better. And then all of this stuff is like stuff for videos, but I don't want to have it out here. I feel like it looks cluttered. So I'm gonna move these lights and this tripod into my guest bedroom. Okay, I think I just like kind of finished this corner except for the wall. I feel like the wall is gonna take a while because like I have multiple pictures and I need to put them all over my house. But this is what it's looking like. I think I really like it. I obviously need to get another rug for right there, but I think it looks pretty good. This is like the organizing from up here. I bought another card game. I also just ordered like I think 4 board games from Amazon because like I want to have them for whenever people come over. We can all just like play board games together. I also got like checkers and shit like that. You know, just fun stuff. So I'm gonna add this. This one's called Let's Get Deep, and then I have We're Not Really Strangers as well. That's pretty fun. Oh my god, this is like kind of like a red theme. So cute. So cute. Do you think it's cute? So cute. This floor pillow is awesome. I also bought candle holders at the Melrose Trading Post. I got these candles from Urban Outfitters. They're just like these floral ones. I thought they were super pretty, but I didn't really know where I was gonna put them. I think I kind of have any idea. Oh, these are gorgeous. They have like flower imprints on them. I got this candle holder from Urban Outfitters. Oh, that's beautiful. So excited. It's these like little decorations that make a house so quirky. I want to go to the thrift store at Melrose Trading Post next week and like strictly try to find furniture. Hopefully it's not too hot. Whenever it's too hot, I like can't shop. Literally, my mentally cannot do it. I feel like scissors would have been like really smart, but I'm just like, oh, this is gonna take so long to go get up and get. But then this is also taking me 10 years to open, so. Boom. This one. Look, these like match, kind of. You see? It's like matches. Beautiful. Okay, I think I'm gonna put them like right there. All right, this goddamn house decorating video has gotten too long. Like, I have so much more to do, so I think I'm gonna have to do a part 2. But before this video ends though, I just wanna shout out a subscriber comment of the day and a fan page of the day. I do this at the end of every single video, so make sure to make a fan page or comment if you guys wanna be shouted out. So, fan page of the day goes to maiphammy.aep. She made this super cute edit. So shout out to her. And then comment of the day on Instagram goes to Polika1703. She said, just when I thought I couldn't love you more, this post, ugh. So that's Instagram shout out of the day. If y'all want Instagram shout out, just follow my Instagram, comment, be active. YouTube comment shout out of the day goes to Leia Everson. She said, why are you so funny? So shout out to her. I'm gonna try to do this at every single video because I want to notice y'all. I post 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below because I read every single one of my subscribers' comments. Follow my spam account if you want. I post juicy tea on there, like literally everything about boys, but it's private, so you have to request it. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest all night long. She putting me to the test. Got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the rest.